What? No way! G'day kids, Ozzie here. Now how cool is this place? A car wash. That's right, we've come along to IMO Car Wash. Now this is the biggest and the best I've ever seen. So we're gonna go inside this big machine and check out how it all works. It's gonna be super fun, kids. I'm super excited, so let's go check it out. And before we do, I've got my car here. Looks pretty clean, right? But it's no good taking a clean car to get cleaned. So let's use this mud that I've got here and muddy it up. Oh kids, this is the fun part. What do you reckon, kids? Am I making it dirty enough? Do you think this big car wash is going to clean it? I hope so, or I'm in a lot of trouble. All right, kids, now this is awesome. We are allowed to have a little walk through and check out how everything works. So, in this process, the first thing you do is a pre-wash. That's where the person comes along and uses soaps. You've got brushes. Give the car a bit of a clean. This one here, this one's for the wheels, so you scrub the wheels like that. And then you give it a spray. You're going to spray just like that. And then the car comes into the automatic section. So it's got to drive up here. It's got to put its wheels on this thing. That's called a conveyor belt. And if you check this out, there's all different types of washes that you can get. Just a basic one, right through to the hot wax and shine. So depending on which one that you want, that's what determines all the different stuff that comes out. And the man or the lady that works here will press this button here. I'm going to go for the hot wax shine. So we're going to come in here, and this is a triple foam. Not one foam, not two foams, we're talking 3 foams. So that's going to make it nice and clean, I think. So the car's going to come in here, get a triple foam. These things are for the wheels. Now this thing is going to come along the car, up the bonnet, up the windscreen, over the roof, down the back of the car and down. And it does all that because it's super clever. It senses where the car is. That's how it knows it's got a big car or a small car, and it just traces the shape of the car. Pretty clever, I reckon. So then you come through to the next section. You can see these things up here. Depending on which of the packages that you bought, that's going to tell us which chemicals drop down. So there might be some wax, there might be some soap, all sorts of things. These brushes, they spin around really fast, like that, and they go along the side of the car. So the car would drive through the middle and this would go around the side. Get it? It's pretty cool. Now this section is where you get a blow dry. So it's going to dry the car. So we've got a big one here and then 2 at the front, and that is what dries all the water off. Oh. All right kids, we've learnt how it all works inside the big machine. I think it's time to take Ozzie's car through and see what it can do. Let's go. I've made this car very, very dirty, so let's see what they can do. This car is filthy dirty. We're not just going to need 1 foam or 2 foams, we need a triple foam. 3 different types of foam. Surely that's going to make this car clean. I don't even need to steer. Look, I can sit there like this and the car does its own thing. Oh, you can hear that? That's the brushes. So that's the brushes going. around and cleaning the car as they move back and forward, and we move between them because we're on that conveyor track. Here's one coming in front of us. Check it out, kids, look out! Ah! We're getting more soap sprayed on us up there, and we've got that big brush coming towards us. You'll see it hit the windscreen in a second. Oh, I love it! This is awesome! Woohoo! There it goes, it's done the front. Look, it's going over the top now. Very cool. Now we've got the big brushes that are going to come up the side of the car. So we've had the wheels cleaned, we've had the bonnet, the windscreen, the roof and the back. Now these guys are going to do the sides of the car. The best fun ever! Okay, so that was the final rinse. We're just finishing off the back of the car. Now, oh, what are these things? This is the blowers. Remember we walked through and we saw the blowers before? So this is going to blow all those water droplets. Look, it's blowing the droplets off the car and drying it. It's like a big hair dryer. Look, it's blowing all the water off the roof. Oh, this is cool. This is amazing. Best ever. There's still so much water on the car. Then we've got some side blowers. Look at the side blower here. So that's blowing the side of the car. This place is so clever. And now look in front of us, we're going through some curtains. It's like we're coming out onto the stage in a nice, shiny new outfit. Look at these things. They're nice, soft bits of material, and they're just going back and forward over the car to get rid of all those drops and make the car super dry. And there's a little sign there, it says start. When the green light goes on, drive off, test your brakes, and see you next time. Wait for it to go green. Yes! And we're away! Start the engine. And off we go. What? No way! Kids, can you believe how clean this car is now? Remember how it looked with all that mud on it? What an awesome car wash, kids. It's almost as clean as it was when the day it was bought. Kids, did you have lots of fun? I certainly did. And what was your favourite part? I like the bright lights and those big loud brushes going up over the car, and then that dryer at the end. That was also pretty cool. Kids, I hope you had lots of fun today. We'll see you on the next video. Until then, stay keen and stay clean. Hey kids, did you have lots of fun today watching Ozzie? I hope so. Did you know that we've got a heap of Ozzie episodes on our YouTube channel? If you haven't already, go back and have a scroll through. I reckon you'll find some others that you absolutely love. And while you're there, why don't you hit subscribe? That way you won't miss out on any of our new videos that we bring out. We'll see you again soon, kids. Until then, stay keen. Oh, and by the way, did you happen to find the hidden Ozzie icon in that video? Yeah, make sure you look closely because they're in every single video. That's right. Stay keen, kids.
Ozzie, 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 oi! Ozzie is a friend of yours and he's a friend of